Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and making the adhesive mix. This is where function meets control. Cut a clean stack of paper to the exact dimensions you want, then clamp the edges tightly. Press for 5 to 10 minutes to remove gaps. Once aligned, mix PVA glue with glycerin at about 1 to 1/2 ratio to increase tack. Thin slightly with a drop of water so it spreads. Paint a thin, even line along the top edge only. Let it set, but not fully cure before proceeding. Once the adhesive line has been applied and is tacky, but not wet, press the spare backing board against the glued edge, then wait the block to cure slowly for several hours. Temperature and humidity change drying time, so monitor. After initial cure, remove weights, slide a release paper to protect glue, and trim 3 open edges with a sharp craft knife for clean sheets. Make a test by peeling one note. If it lifts too easily, apply a second lighter pass of adhesive and recure to build strength. To finish, let the stack cure flat for 24 to 48 hours to reach usable tack. This step sets longevity and prevents stickiness changes. Once cured, separate the release paper and test several notes for consistent peel. If they stick too much, gently sand the glued edge or reduce adhesive strength by diluting the next batch 10 to 20%. If notes don't hold, add a micro layer of the glycerin-modified PVA and recure. Remember, small adjustments change peel behavior, so iterate with one test block.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.